The kind of service I had done with Couto Construction was I had my roof done, I had windows, I had a door replaced, and I had siding done. Yeah, I had a lot that needed to be done. I had some pretty bad leaks in my house. I knew I had to either sell and move, or I had to do some big renovations for my house. I went with Couto Construction. I did get a couple different bids from a few different companies. I dealt with Tyler Mello, and he was very nice. I told him my budget and budget constraints, and he worked with me. He didn't push me. What drew me into Couto, I think, mostly was, as I say, I got the bids and took a look at them, and they were all basically within the same ballpark, but Couto was pretty much a median, and they also had good reputation. They'd been in business for a long time, and they were family owned. They have the warranty. They're kind of, saying to me, well, we stand behind our product. I really like that. And I felt comfortable with that. And I did know somebody who used them on their house, and they were very satisfied with them too. So that helped have somebody that used them. Yeah, I would say that Couto lived up to their reputation. I was very satisfied. The house came out very nicely. I'm very pleased with how it looks. And they put in 110% into this, because I don't think that they expected to have to work as hard as they did on this.